Hi everyone! Today I want to talk about acupressure for stress and anxiety. My name is Dr. Nicole and I am a naturopathic doctor and acupuncturist. And acupressure actually comes from Tui Na, which is a form of therapeutic massage in traditional Chinese medicine. And just like acupuncture, we're going to be using these points to help move qi and blood to prevent stagnation or blockage of these meridians, which can cause pain or in this case contribute to stress and anxiety. So all these points are going to be done on your upper body, and you can do them by yourself, but if you have someone who can do them for you, even better. So to start, the first point is called LI4 or large intestine 4. This is a really good point for stress, for any facial pain, and also for headache. It's located on your hand. So it's located on this second metacarpal bone, and it's going to be right in the center of that bone. And most people usually have a little mound here. It's pretty tender when you press on it. For some people, you can go a little bit further, closer to the wrist, and press down, and that can cause some tenderness or achiness, and that's good because we all have stress, so that probably means you really need it. And you can hold down for about 1 to 3 minutes, and you can also do some gentle massage as well too. And again, that's going to help with stress. It's a big qi mover, and when we get stressed, our qi tends to get stuck. So it's a really good point. Another really good point that's very common is called Yintang, and that's located at your third eye, right in between your eyebrows. And this is a really good point to help just with anxiety and relaxation. You can press it, you can tap it, but what I like to do is to combine it with 3 other points, and just to help massage this whole area where we tend to get a lot of tension in our eyes here, and also any forehead headaches, and then also any temporal headaches on the side here. So Yintang, there's a point here called UB1 or bladder 1. There's a special point here called Yu Yao, and there's another special point here called Taiyang. So what you can do is start at Yintang, and you just want to do gentle pressure, and end at Taiyang and do some circular massage. So what I like to do, because I like to do a bit extra, is to actually use my knuckle of my index finger, and that just gives a little bit more pressure. So starting at Yintang, and you just want to go right along that bone and end at Taiyang, and then do some circular motion. And it just feels really good, especially if you hold a lot of tension in your eyes right here, or if you have any headaches on the side of your head here. You can also add some peppermint oil, which is really nice. I would avoid putting too much peppermint oil around your eye because it can be a bit burning. So you also want to dilute it with some oil if you are going to use it on your skin. But it's really helpful for headaches, or if you have any lavender oil as well too, that's essential oil. It's also very good to help calm you down and relax. Another really good point for stress is called GB21 or gallbladder 21, and that's located on the top of your shoulders. And in order to find that, you can go from the base of your neck to your shoulder and just go right in the center. And for most people, there's usually a big ball of knotty mess right at that center, and that's where a lot of people hold their stress. So just holding down on those points on each side, and this I found is the most comfortable position to do that if you're doing it on yourself. You just want to hold, and here's another good place to take some deep breaths as well too. It's just to help relax and help release those tight muscles. And again, this is a really good point to help release qi, to help move the qi, and also to descend the qi, because it tends to get stuck here, which can lead to shoulder pain and then also neck pain. So the next point is related to that. It's called GB20, and in order to find that point, you want to go start at the base of your neck and go all the way up to the back of your ear. There's a bone here called the mastoid process, and you just want to head towards the center of the neck. You're going to go over a tendon and then kind of land in a little pool, and that is GB20. If you go over another tendon, you went too far. So back up, and it's going to be a little pool, and GB20 actually means wind pool. So this point is actually really good to prevent colds, because this is where in Chinese medicine the wind enters the back of your neck, and the wind is what makes you get sick. So common colds, you can press here and massage here. It's also really good to help relieve any neck tension. If you get headaches at the base of your neck or stress, tension headaches, those are all also really good points. This is a really good point to use. Some people use tennis balls, or they put tennis balls in a sock and then lay on them. That's also really good to do as well. The last point I want to talk about is called Do 20, and this is a really good point to help bring clarity, to help you focus, to help clear your mind. And to find this point, you want to start at the top of your ear and just go straight up, all the way up until you hit the very top of your head. And for some people, this can be very tender, and that means you need this. So you can press down and hold down. You can also tap. So you can tap this point, and that also helps bring a lot of stimulation to that point. There's 4 extra points around Do 20, so it stimulates all those points. And those points as well too bring a lot of clarity, a lot of mental focus as well. So those are it. This is just a quick video for some acupressure points. I hope you like it. I hope it helps relieve stress or helps you relax a little bit. You can also use them again with essential oils. It goes really well. But if you like these, please comment below. If you want some more acupressure or acupuncture videos, please let me know as well too. I hope you're staying safe and healthy, and I will see you soon.